Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 must-know time idioms with meanings and examples. Number 1, at the 11th hour. It means at the last possible moment, just before a deadline. Example, she submitted her assignment at the 11th hour and still got an A. Number 2, better late than never. It means doing something late is better than not doing it at all. Example, he finally apologized, better late than never. Number 3, time flies. It means time seems to pass very quickly. Example, time flies when you're chatting with friends online. Number 4, against the clock. It means working as fast as possible to finish before a deadline. Example, we're working against the clock to prepare for the party. Number 5, around the clock. It means all day and all night continuously. Example, the nurses worked around the clock to care for the patients. Number 6, beat the clock. It means finish something before the deadline or before time runs out. Example, the team beat the clock and completed the project early. Number 7, kill time. It means do something not very important while you are waiting. Example, we played a word game to kill time at the airport. Number 8, behind the times. It means old-fashioned, not up to date with modern ideas or technology. Example, my grandfather is a bit behind the times with smartphones. Number 9, take your time. It means don't rush, there's no need to hurry. Example, take your time answering the questions carefully. Number 10, from time to time. It means sometimes but not regularly, occasionally. Example, I watch English movies from time to time to improve my listening. Wow, time flies when we're learning idioms, right? Before you go, test yourself with this quick quiz below. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.